Have you ever wondered how pharmaceutical products maintain their consistency, efficacy, and safety? It's all about evaluation parameters. These parameters, which include metrics such as globule particle size, pH, spreadability, permeation, drug release, viscosity, drug content, extrudability, and skin irritation test, are the behind-the-scenes heroes of product development. They guide the process, ensuring that the product you end up with is not only effective, but also safe and reliable. Think of these parameters as the secret recipe for a successful product. Each one provides crucial information that shapes the development process, helping to fine-tune the product until it meets the desired standards. They're the checkpoints, the quality controls, and the benchmarks all rolled into one. They are the assurance that the product you're using has been tested, refined, and perfected to offer the best possible outcome. So, without further ado, let's delve into these essential evaluation parameters. First up, we have the globule particle size. Now, you might be wondering, what's globule particle size? Well, it refers to the diameter of the tiny droplets that make up an emulsion in a pharmaceutical product. This might sound like a minor detail, but it's actually a major player in the stability and efficacy of these products. Imagine each globule as a tiny vehicle for delivering drugs to the body. The size of these vehicles can significantly impact how well the drug is absorbed and distributed. If the globules are too large, the drug may not be delivered effectively. On the other hand, if they're too small, the drug might be released too quickly, leading to potential side effects. So, keeping the globule particle size in the Goldilocks zone, not too big, not too small, is crucial for ensuring that the drug works as it should. Clearly, globule particle size plays a vital role in ensuring the stability and effectiveness of our drugs. Next, we explore the world of pH. The term pH stands for potential of hydrogen, and it's a measure of the acidity or alkalinity of a solution. But why is pH so important in the realm of pharmaceuticals? Well, it plays a pivotal role in maintaining the stability and efficacy of drugs. Think of pH as a delicate balance. If this balance is upset, it can affect the structure of the drug, leading to reduced effectiveness or even degradation. Moreover, the pH of the environment where the drug is absorbed can impact the rate and extent of drug absorption. For instance, certain drugs are better absorbed in an acidic environment, while others prefer a more alkaline setting. Additionally, pH can influence drug metabolism, as it can affect the activity of enzymes involved in breaking down drugs. So pH is not just about acidity or alkalinity. It's a crucial factor in drug effectiveness. Now, let's tackle spreadability, permeation, and drug release. These are three critical parameters in pharmaceutical product development. First up, spreadability. It's quite straightforward. It refers to the ability of a product to spread over surface. In the world of pharmaceuticals, it's incredibly important for topical drugs. The better the spreadability, the more uniform the application, which in turn ensures that the drug is evenly distributed across the skin. Next, we have permeation. This is the process by which a drug diffuses or penetrates through the skin or a biological membrane. It's all about the journey of a drug from the surface to the bloodstream. Higher permeation means that more of the drug can reach its target site, thereby enhancing its effectiveness. It's a key factor in determining a drug's bioavailability. That is the proportion of the drug that enters the circulation and so can have an active effect. Lastly, let's discuss drug release. This is the process by which a drug is released from a pharmaceutical product. It's a complex process governed by several factors, including the formulation of the drug, the manufacturing process, and the interaction between the drug and the body. Drug release is crucial because it determines when and how much of the drug is available for absorption. Well-designed drug release mechanism can ensure that the drug is delivered at the right time and the right amount to the right place in the body. In essence, spreadability ensures that the drug is evenly distributed on the surface. Permeation allows the drug to reach its target site, and drug release determines the availability of the drug for absorption. These parameters are critical in developing effective, efficient, and safe pharmaceutical products. They ensure that drugs are not just spread, but absorbed effectively. Moving on to viscosity, drug content, and extrudability. These three parameters play a critical role in the development and effectiveness of pharmaceutical products. First, let's talk about viscosity. Think of it as the thickness or stickiness of a substance. In the world of pharmaceuticals, viscosity is vital for the stability of emulsions, suspensions, and solutions. It affects the rate of drug release and absorption in the body. A higher viscosity can slow down the release, allowing for a more controlled and sustained delivery of the drug. On the flip side, if it's too viscous, it might be challenging to administer or could lead to blockages. Hence, achieving the right balance is key. Next, we have the drug content. This refers to the amount of active pharmaceutical ingredient present in a drug product. It's crucial because it directly impacts the efficacy of the drug. Too little, and the drug may not produce the desired therapeutic effect. Too much, and it could lead to toxicity or adverse reactions. Therefore, precise measurement and control of drug content are paramount to ensure the safety and effectiveness of the drug. Finally, let's explore extrudability. This is particularly relevant for semi-solid dosage forms like creams, ointments, and gels. Extrudability refers to the ease with which a product can be squeezed out from its container, such as a tube or a syringe. It's a factor that significantly impacts patient compliance. If a product is difficult to extrude, patients may not use it as prescribed, compromising its therapeutic benefits. In summary, viscosity, drug content, and extrudability are not just scientific terms. They are crucial parameters that ensure our drugs are not just potent, but also safe, consistent, and user-friendly. They contribute to the overall quality of pharmaceutical products, influencing their stability, efficacy, and safety. These parameters ensure that our drugs are not just potent, but safe and consistent. So, the next time you squeeze out that ointment or take that pill, remember the meticulous science and precise calculations that went into its development. Last but not least, the skin irritation test. This crucial part of product development is often overlooked, but it's like the silent guardian of our skin's health. The skin irritation test is a scientific examination conducted to check how our skin reacts to a specific product or ingredient. It's a litmus test for safety, revealing any potential adverse effects before a product hits the shelves. Now, why is this test so critical? Well, it's simple. We all have different skin types, sensitivities, and allergies. A product that works wonders for one person might cause irritation or even harm to another. Therefore, the skin irritation test is our first line of defense against possible negative reactions. Importantly, it's not just for cosmetics. This test is a must for all topical pharmaceutical products. It helps ensure that the treatment we apply on our skin is not only effective, but also safe. The skin irritation test, ensuring our products are safe for use. Scene script. Let's round up what we've learned. We've embarked on an enlightening journey through the complex world of evaluation parameters in product development, each one acting as an integral piece in the grand puzzle of pharmaceutical innovation. We kicked off our exploration with the globule particle size. Remember, the particle size affects the physical stability of emulsions and suspensions and can influence drug release and absorption. Smaller particles can mean better stability and faster drug release. Next, we delved into pH. It's not just about acidity or alkalinity. It's about maintaining the stability and efficacy of the drug. A shift in pH can lead to drug degradation or even unwanted side effects. Spreadability, permeation, and drug release were our next stops. Spreadability is vital for semi-solid formulations, ensuring uniform application and dosage. Permeation, on the other hand, governs how well a drug can cross biological barriers. Drug release is the final step, determining when and how much of the drug is available for absorption. We then moved on to viscosity, drug content, and extrudability. Viscosity is all about flow, influencing the ease of administration and the drug's release rate. Drug content guarantees the right dosage, while extrudability affects the ease of product use. Finally, we touched on the skin irritation test, a safety check that ensures the product won't cause adverse reactions when applied to the skin. It's a critical step in the development of any topical product. So each of these parameters, from globule particle size to skin irritation tests, plays a crucial role in creating safe, effective, and user-friendly pharmaceutical products. They're the unsung heroes, the behind-the-scenes workers, each contributing to the overall success of the final product. So, there you have it, the fascinating world of evaluation parameters in product development. Subscribe for more because you won't find me later.